Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is you're watching this video. You're welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you guys. Welcome to 2025. So today's video is all about my exciting plans for 2025 and some important updates you don't want to miss. If you're part of this amazing community, please make sure you stay tuned to the end. Ensure you watch this video till the very end, because I will be addressing some changes that would make things smoother and better for all of us. So if you know you are ready to grow and succeed online this year, you see the like button there? Oh yeah, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so we can get started. So firstly, I want to address something that has been a challenge for both you and me, which is communication. Last year, I received a lot of complaints about ignoring WhatsApp messages and my DMs. So guys, I just want you to know that it was never intentional. Jessica is not intentionally keeping you on ignore mode, as I would call it. It's just so overwhelming to keep up with private messages from everyone. I must say, I do get a lot of messages from you all. I must tell you, there are a lot of messages, and apart from business messages, there are other messages I receive from other people as well. So it's just so overwhelming. I am not intentionally leaving you on ignore mode, or I'm not intentionally ignoring your message. It's not just so easy to balance responding to a lot of messages at a time, and then I'm still creating good content out here for you guys. All right, so here's the plan. Of course, I've got a solution for that. Starting this year, I would no longer attend to DM messages. Okay, I would no longer open a WhatsApp group so we can communicate on WhatsApp, because you guys, whenever I open it, you also ask me a lot of questions there, and I would no longer be attending to WhatsApp DMs. This is what we are gonna do. If at any time I create or upload a video on YouTube on a particular update or a particular tutorial, all I will need you to do is to drop your questions in the comments section. Yes, it is very easy for me to respond to comments that I get from YouTube than it is to respond to messages I get on my DM. When one person's message come in, another person's message come in, like that, it keeps pushing your message, and it will be very difficult for me to scroll back to check all those messages. So if you have any question at all, if I put up any video on YouTube and it's about that video, even if it's not about that video, ask your questions in the comment section. I'm going to get a notification on my phone, and I'm going to come to respond to your questions immediately. That's how fast it's going to be. So you do not come to my DM except we have like business related transactions to carry out. That's the only time you come to my DM, because if you come to my DM, you will just be there and you wonder, why is this girl, and some people have even like giving me a nickname, always busy. It's not just easy. All right, so it's best you drop your question or whatever you want to say, except it's personal, then you can come to my DM. Whatever you want to say, drop it on the YouTube video. So our WhatsApp group will no longer be open. As you see that group now, I'm no longer going to open it. Even if I want to drop updates, it's always going to be on YouTube, and I might stop sharing the YouTube links to the group. So here is why I'm saying this. I just discovered that it's actually not too good to share my YouTube video links to WhatsApp and family members, but that's not the essence of today's video. I'm going to teach you about this. I'm going to tell you more about this in subsequent videos that I'm going to be uploading on YouTube. Okay, so like I said, I will no longer open the WhatsApp group, but if there's some announcements I would like to make, I will definitely make them on that WhatsApp group. So if there is any update that is paying, you have to make sure you have hit that notification bell, so you would get a notification when I upload the video. That means Jessica is no longer going to upload a video on YouTube about a paying update and then send the link to WhatsApp immediately. You would have to be at alert whenever my video drops on YouTube, so you can rush up on the update. So that's it, guys. That's the solution I have for this. Don't get discouraged and do not panic, but just all I'm just saying is that we are pushing out most of the activities to YouTube. So if you have questions, you come to YouTube, you drop your questions in the comment section, and then for updates, you always come to YouTube. I hope this is clear, guys. I hope you understand. If you don't understand and if you have a question right now, please leave it in the comment section. So guys, the only reason to DM me is if we have a personal or business transaction. Please let us respect this boundary so that I can serve you better and avoid ignoring anyone's message unintentionally, okay? All right, so moving on to my content plans for 2025. This year I'll not only post videos on how to make money online, but also include online tutorials and updates that you may not even be aware of. There will be so much learning and teaching. I'll also show you how to grow your own YouTube channel. Yes, I've been getting a lot of requests from you all to upload videos on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to get the 4,000 watch time, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to monetize your channel. I've been getting a lot of requests, so I'll be doing that all for you guys. Okay, I'll be uploading videos on how to grow a YouTube channel, starting from creating your own YouTube channel the right way, okay, to revealing the secrets to growth and monetization. I'll share the strategies that you need to succeed. All right, so I've got it covered. Okay guys, so in addition to this, I'll discuss my personal experiences on YouTube, including mistakes you should avoid, my first paycheck which is already on the way, and important steps to monetize your channel. I'll do all this to save you from unnecessary struggles. So now guys, I have a small request. If you know that you are only here on my channel, you're here only for the benefits, and then immediately after that you leave, please don't do that. Instead, it's important that you watch the video from the beginning to the end to understand the tips and lessons that I'm sharing. Do you know that skipping through hurts my channel and makes it harder for me to help you? So guys, please don't do that. In return, I promise to bring you value-packed content consistently. And yes, if you apply what I teach, you definitely see real growth in your journey. By God's grace, I plan to upload like 2 to 3 videos every week. All right, so just make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and then you have the notification bell on so you stay updated when those videos are being uploaded. 2025 is going to be a game changer for this channel and for you as well. Let's make it a year of learning, growth, and success together. If you are as excited as I am about this journey, let me know in the comment section. And remember, consistency and implementation are key. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Remain blessed, stay consistent, and let's crush 2025 together.